The products that we are soybean-based products that are meant to go to the asphalt industry. That can be in additives for improving the performance of asphalt, or also as topical applications to rejuvenation or preservation. Asphalt, we find it in so many places. The main ones is roads, but also the roofs of your house has asphalt. We decided to use soybean oil, because we are here in Iowa. That is the cheapest oil there is out there. One of the benefits of using soybean oil, it has some specific unsaturation, those that allows to do chemistry out of that, right? That oil is then chemically modified to get a special type of chemistry that allows us to use that properties to make what we call an emulsion. That emulsion has specific properties that will help the asphalt rejuvenate or come back to life. So places where it gets a lot of the sun damage, it's also the weather cycles, heat, cold, that deteriorates the asphalt. So it starts becoming brittle. So what we're doing by adding this modified soybean oil, you can bring that elastic properties back to the asphalt. Instead of being brittle, that caused by sun and the weather, you can add those properties back to the asphalt. So this is 100% recycled material out of old Iowa State parking lot. You can go to some of those millings, when you tear a road, and ask some of that recycled asphalt back to the virgin asphalt, add our material, and be able to use it without affecting the physical properties. So you can increase the amount of recycled material into virgin asphalts without affecting the longevity of the asphalt. If we can increase the amount of recycled material, right, by 10-20%, you will save a lot of carbon emissions in producing these materials.